door.
Sticky, 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 sticky. Like what?
So I put different springs in now. Now it's got like heaps of clearance now. It's like a monster PLP 50, mate. Fully hectic. Not as much clearance in the back as the front, but in the back it's got two shockeys there on the one wheel and two shockeys there. It's not too bad. Did this repair here. It's sort of solid. Just got to grind down the axis and bog it up, and when we paint it, still got those gaps to fix. I just like coated everything there in resin and got the paintbrush and stabbed it in there. Actually broke this piece off completely and then resin in there and then put it back on and then resin some more. So we'll see how long that holds, but the clearance we've got now is crazy compared to before. This is going to be good.